To open a second account with a particular brokerage firm, you should be aware that their policy only allows one individual account per person, as each account is linked to a unique social security number. This means that opening a second individual account under your name is not possible. However, there are alternative options available. One option is to open a joint account, which allows two individuals to share and manage investments collectively. To be eligible for a joint account, both parties must have individual accounts in good standing. Once eligible, you can open the app, click on the investing label, and select the joint investing option. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the application. Note that you can only be the owner of one joint investing account at a time. Another option is to create accounts with multiple brokerage firms, while one firm may restrict users to one individual account. You are legally permitted to open a second account with a different firm. This allows for diversification of investment platforms and access to different financial products and services. However, managing multiple accounts can be complex and time-consuming, so it's essential to be aware of each platform's fees, features, and policies.